How we doing today? It's Bernie Mitchell again. We're going to show you another couple of trades that we did last week. This time we're back in the gold market. Well, you probably, if you're following the gold market, you know gold had a big sell-off over the last week or so. In fact, from its high, it probably down about $150 from the high to the low. And the chart you're looking at is a 610 tick chart. It's one of the tick charts we use to trade the gold. And again, I may have mentioned this in some earlier videos, but the reason we use tick charts, because gold is essentially a 24-hour market. So this captures basically all the trading done around the clock. And you can see the rally that we had the week before, we came up to our main trend line. This is our what we call our main 89 line. The market could not actually get over that. It tried here, tried on the next bar, and then it came back below, and then it had one more attempt at it, and the final attempt, then we had a big down leg. And then the market actually went to new lows, and we're going to move this across one bar by bar, and then we go to new lows here, and you can see we're really selling off sharply. A little inside bar, trying to build a bottom, still trying to build a bottom. New lows again. Another new low, still trying to build a bottom. Okay, now looks like we have a little bit of a bottom here. You'll notice that on the low bar there's a squat. Okay, that's a strong indication that we're going to get at least a market reversal. You'll also notice here there's a white bar here on this ADX indicator. These are all my proprietary indicators that can be gotten if you take our training on our website, feargreed.com. In any event, we have a little bottom put in, so now we're going to put our cluster software indicator on there. And if you recall, what we do is we click on the high bar. That's when the market started its downtrend, and we go to the low bar. Whoops. Where the market completed its downtrend and started moving back up. We'll go into our trade station, we'll open the indicator up. And there you have it. Those are your four lines. The first yellow line indicates lower resistance. Our SP resistance level, upper resistance is the third line, and the fourth line again is our maximum resistance. So let's just kind of move these bars forward and see what happened. Okay, market's kind of trading sideways. Again, since this is a 610 tick chart, each bar represents 610 gold transactions. That's the June gold contract. And that is 100 ounce of gold per contract. Okay, looks like we'll come back up to that first yellow line. Almost got it there, didn't get it quite. Just missed it by probably about 60, 70 cents. We'll just wait. You got to be patient here. And finally, it trades right there on this bar. Everybody see that? Trades right into that bar. Okay. Now, it's also interesting to note that once we get into that bar, we wait for a squat to actually put the trade on. And we look for squats on faster time frames. In this video, I actually can't show you that, but we look on a 34 and a 21, a 34 and a 55 tick chart to see if we got a squat, and I tell you we did get a squat on the bar. Okay, now the market traded at that level and it's coming off here. Okay, so it doesn't look like much, but from a high of 913.40 to a low of roughly 905, it's roughly $8. And $8 represents $800 on a 100 ounce contract. So it doesn't look like much, but now we had a second shot at it. This is the second attempt to get short at low resistance, and the market broke again, and there's probably another $1,000 from a high of 914.70 to a low of 902. And then we had now a third shot at it. Each time we're finding very tough resistance at the lower resistance level. Finally, On the last bar of the day, the market gapped up, and we'll see what happens overnight, tonight, Sunday night, going into Monday. Again, my name is Bernie Mitchell. You can take the training to learn this method of trading, which is basically selling resistance and buying support on very accurate Fibonacci cluster levels. And you can find that training at www.feargree.com. It's an online training session. Once you register, you can go back and forth as many times as you want. Anyway, I'm signing off now. Past performance is never indicative of future results, and there's high risk in trading futures. Take care and have a great day, everyone.